Hello, and in this screencast of Apache Isis I want to show how to remove a little bit more boilerplate from your applications. If we look at the simple objects repository, then we can see that there's a method called create that takes a name parameter, and I can use this to create a new domain object. And I can also, there's an action called find by name, and that also has a name parameter, and I can go find the object as well. Looking at the code, what we see is that the name parameter has to be annotated with an @parameter name, specifying that the name is name. And that's necessary because Apache Isis is compiled to Java 7, and in Java 7 the reflection API doesn't allow us to find the name of this parameter. However, if you are running on Java 8, then there's an optional plugin that you can configure, so let me show you where that lives and how to do that. With this optional plugin we can pick up the name of the formal parameter. So it lives in this companion website we have here, which is not part of Apache Foundation, but it is maintained by the Apache Isis committers, and there's quite a few things here. The one we're after is one called paraname 8, and this describes how to configure the thing, and there's a demo and so forth about what's going on. But basically what it amounts to is including this dependency, and we can go searching for the most recent, but actually I think that is the most recent as I record this screencast. Yeah, version 1.11. Let's pull that in from here. So I'm going to go to my DOM project, and I'm going to bring that in as a dependency. And then the other thing that I need to do, and this is documented on the Isis Addons website, is I need to also specify this configuration parameter. So there's several ways I can do this. The README I'm looking at here suggests using the isis.properties config file, but another way that you could do this, which I'm going to use, is to use the app manifest. So if I go to the app manifest that I'm running with, this guy, then I can override the configuration properties, and I could go, probably the fastest way of writing this would be a mutable map of the, let's grab that, and then the value I want is this thing that's called a facet factory. Facet factories are the things that build up the Isis's internal meta model. So that's all I need to do there. And then there's one final thing I need to do, which is I need to configure the Java compiler in my IDE to specify this parameter, or rather the dash parameters command line to Java C. So I will also do that. That needs to be done in the DOM project, so file settings. And in fact you can see that's already has been set, but we'll need to check that. That's for the IDE. If you're thinking about running this, of course, from using Maven, then you'll find that the archetype already has this parameter set up. So I think that's everything that we need to do. So with all that configuration done, what we can then do is we can get rid of this annotation, and so now the code simplifies a bit and will allow us to hopefully be able to pick up that name without any additional metadata. Let's try it out. Okay, so the app is running. Let's have a look then. So we'll go to the home page and do a create, and we can see that that is saying the word name without that annotation, and find by name also says name here. So that was how to configure the paraname 8 plugin that is there on and is linked from the Isis Addons website, amongst others. So I hope that makes sense. Try it out as per usual.